Good morning, boys and girls. So as I've been at home, I've been working a lot on getting things ready for you all. I've been doing a lot of chores. I've been making breakfast. I've been cooking a lot. I've been doing laundry. I've been cleaning, all those kind of things that we have to do while we're at home. But I've also been coloring some. And I was thinking about breakfast this morning. I really wanted to have pancakes for breakfast. That sounded yummy to me. So I got out all the ingredients. I got out my eggs, I got out my milk, and I got out my mix for pancakes. And I measured it all out, and I put them in my bowl, and I mixed it in my bowl and got them all ready. And then I got out my pan. I turned on the stove, got it ready so that I could make my pancakes. And I made my pancakes. I made 3 of them. I had 2 that were a normal size and then 1 little baby one. And I took them off and I put them on my plate. And I was so excited because they were going to be yummy. I put some butter on them. I got my syrup out to warm up my syrup because I love syrup on my pancakes. I did not have any syrup. And at this time, normally I would say, well, maybe I can go to the store. There's a store that's real close. I can run to the store and I can get some syrup. Well, right now we're not supposed to be leaving our houses much. So I knew that was not a good solution. I shouldn't be just going to the store. So I thought, oh no, what could I use instead of syrup? So I looked in my refrigerator and I found some jelly. And grape jelly is my favorite. So I got out my grape jelly and I thought, well, it's not as good as having my pancakes with syrup, but that's okay. I can use jelly instead. So it ended up being pretty yummy. So after I ate my pancakes, and yes, I cleaned it all up, I decided to use my crayons and draw some pictures of what happened first, next, and last at breakfast this morning. So here's what I came up with. So as you can see in my picture, yes, I draw my great pictures here. So I have my eggs, my milk, my mix, and I mixed them all up in my bowl. Then I cooked my pancakes. There's my 2 normal size and my 1 small pancake. And then really I should probably draw a sad face here because I had no syrup. And maybe I should also draw some jelly there to go with it. So today I'm going to ask you, we're starting our writing, but today all we're going to have to do or get to do is draw pictures. When we're in class, I ask you to draw pictures about what you're going to write about. So that's what I want you to do today. I want you to write something that happened at breakfast. So what happened first at your breakfast, what happened next, and then what happened last at your breakfast. I would think last would probably be you ate your breakfast and hopefully it was yummy. I want you, after you do this, I want you to save this paper because we're going to be using it all week. So keep that in mind. Have fun doing that, and I cannot wait to see your work. See you later.